I wake up at 7 a.m. The alarm goes off, and before I even touch my phone, an AI assistant has already planned my day. It's weird, like having a digital version of myself that's always 2 steps ahead. Today, I'm testing what it actually feels like to let artificial intelligence control my entire workflow, from the moment I wake up to the last email I send. This isn't a tutorial, it's an experiment. I want to find out if AI can truly make me more productive, or if it's just another shiny distraction. So, here's what a full day of work looks like when every decision is powered by AI. I start with one simple command to ChatGPT: plan my day in 90-minute focus blocks based on my priorities. In seconds, it builds an entire schedule: deep work sessions, lunch breaks, rest time, even reminders to drink water. Then I sync it with Notion AI. It automatically creates a to-do list with subtasks, deadlines, and notes. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and somehow knows exactly what I need before I ask. I open my first task: write a script for a new video. I ask ChatGPT for a basic outline, and 10 seconds later, I've got a full structure ready to go. What used to take me an hour of brainstorming now takes minutes. But there's a catch. When AI does the heavy lifting, it's easy to become a spectator of your own creativity. So, I go line by line, rewriting, adding my personality, adjusting the rhythm. Because productivity doesn't mean full automation, it means amplification. AI gives you the draft. You give it soul. By noon, I'm already halfway through my task list. While I eat, I let Perplexity handle my research. I type, summarize the latest AI productivity trends for 2025. It brings me curated insights, verified sources, and key takeaways, all in under a minute. Before AI, this would have taken me an hour of endless scrolling. Now it's done before my coffee gets cold. At the same time, Motion reorganizes my calendar. If I run late, it shifts everything automatically. No more manual rescheduling, no stress. I look at the screen and realize my entire day is now adapting to me. It's efficient, almost too efficient. Because when everything is optimized, you start to lose that sense of control, and it makes me wonder, what happens when the AI knows better than I do what I should be doing? Maybe the real challenge isn't getting AI to work right, it's trusting it enough to let it. Afternoon hits and I switch into creative mode. I want to design a thumbnail for this exact video. I open Midjourney and type, minimalist YouTube thumbnail, warm colors, focused on AI and productivity. Seconds later, I have 4 beautiful options. Before, this would have required a designer, multiple revisions, and a lot of back and forth. Now, it's just a conversation. That's when it hits me. AI doesn't just save time, it saves mental energy. The energy I used to spend on repetitive tasks is now free to think, free to create, free to focus on what actually matters. AI doesn't replace your mind, it frees it. As the sun sets, I wrap up my last block of work. Notion AI summarizes my progress. Tasks completed, 9. Active focus time, 6 hours, 30 minutes. Energy level, high. I stare at that report for a moment, and it's true. I feel more energized, not because I worked less, but because I worked smarter. The difference is night and day. I used to think productivity was about doing more. Now I realize it's about doing what matters most and letting the AI handle the rest. After 10 hours of letting artificial intelligence guide my day, here's what I learned. AI isn't here to replace your brain. It's here to expand it. It's not the future of work, it's the present of focus. And if you use it right, it becomes your most powerful creative partner. So here's my challenge to you. Try living one full day powered by AI. Track everything. See how much time, energy, and attention you get back. Then decide for yourself if it's worth it. Don't work harder, work with intelligence. And if you want to keep mastering your time and creativity using AI, subscribe because this is just the beginning.